Okay.
Wi-Fi connection is a bit slow.
That's okay. Wait a sec, we died for a second, just a minute. Move the camera down so I can see the nail. There, do you know that your camera's upside down? Sweetie, put the camera up a little bit so we're on Annette's face. And move the camera down so I can see the nail. There you go.
No, it is upside down. Yeah, it is. Vertical.
Annette, what I'm looking for is to take more of the nail off of the bottom. So that bottom of that nail is actually shorter than the other two nails and shorter than the pad. Okay, so that when she walks, there is no pressure on that front nail. There's the elephant's nail. So you see this is the nail, and this is the crack. Here's the ground level. Okay? That's the ground. What we want to do is make the nail shorter here. Cut this part off. We're going to cut this part off.
Sanjay.
Alright, so the nail is going to be not at ground level anymore. Okay? Here's ground level. The bottom of the nail is going to be shorter. Once you get that shorter, you're going to make this part here round. So you'll round it up. Makes it shorter. Once we do that, then we're going to trim this part open like that. Okay? So this would be a hole in here.
Okay.
Alright, that's our goal. The sand pit looks really good. The sand pit looks good. It'll be really gentle on her when she's down. He's making the rasp go in the wrong direction. The tooth facing him comes to him. Yes. Yay, good. There you go. Okay. Oh, excellent. Excellent. Okay. Good job. Great job, everybody. Very proud of you.
Great job to you too, Carol.
All right. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you later. Show the